The new Klein Kurve Wire Stripper Crimper Multi-Tool was developed for the low voltage datacom technician. We had been constantly getting feedback from technicians that they have to carry 2 wire strippers. They don't have 1 wire stripper with the right range of stripping holes and the crimping dies that they need. So we decided that's the perfect opportunity to help them save space in their tool belt. So we combined the stripping range that they need, anything from 10 to 26, and integrated 4 different crimpers on it. One for B connectors, one for insulated and non-insulated terminals, as well as one for the IDC terminals. We decided creating 1 wire stripper with all those different stripping holes and the 4 different crimpers was a no-brainer. It's made right here in our heritage facility in Mansfield, Texas, and a lot of pride goes into it.